Using these chlorine tabs for a couple of months now, we've noticed that there is not as much algae in our pool compared to other brands. The 5 pound container is just a small little plastic bucket, and it has a little lid that easily pops off, just like so. And then the tabs themselves are actually only 1 inch. They all come in a nice little bag that's located within the bucket. These work great in these smaller containers, just like this, that are going to be floating in your pool. Not only can you get it in a small container of only 5 pounds, but you can get it all the way up to 1,200 pound container. Now, just to give you an idea as to how clean our pool looks, this is exactly kind of what it does. And as you can see, there's not any algae buildup in that whatsoever. This particular product, I will tell you, the water doesn't feel slimy, and it doesn't have an extremely strong odor, whether it's in the water or even within the container. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you felt the review helpful, please hit that thumb below so other people will know to watch the video. And you guys have a great day.